sixth term. Here 6xy, that is on right hand side, the variable terms are given in the product form. So how to simplify it? 6x plus 3y is equal to 6. The xy will be keeping this side in the denominator. So we can split it easily now. Whenever the variables are given in the product form, we have to split it by each term. That is given term divided by product of the variables. Given term divided by the product of the variables. As 6x upon xy plus 3y upon xy is equal to 6. So this equation would be x cancel, 6 by y and y cancel, 3 by x is equal to 6. Similarly, the second equation is written as 2x plus 4y. The product of the variables in the denominator, xy here and 5 will be that side. So now 2x upon xy plus 4y upon xy is equal to 5. X and x cancel. So this is what? 2 by y plus y cancel. 4 by x is equal to 5. Now we know what to do with these equations. So here we can assume the 1 upon y as a and 1 upon x as b. This equation can be written as 6a plus 3b is equal to 6. Say it is equation number 1. And the another equation is written as 2a plus 4b is equal to 5. Say it is equation number 2. Now we try to solve this equation by cross multiplication method. Okay. So in cross multiplication method, very first 6a plus 3b, this 6 we will bring on other side, that is minus 6 equals to 0. Then 2a plus 4b minus 5 is equal to 0. We'll write here the constant terms on LHS. Minus 6 this side, minus 5 on this side, minus 5. Here a upon b upon and 1 upon. When you are writing the coefficients of a, the a terms will be ignored. So what is it here? 3, 4, minus 6, minus 5. When you write b coefficients, b term would be ignored. So that is minus 6, minus 5, 6 and 2. And when you write constant terms, it would be 6, 2 and 3 and 4. So now a upon 3 into minus 5 is minus 15, minus sign always in 2 bracket, minus 6 into 4 is minus 24. Then b upon minus 6 into 2 is minus 12, minus sign minus 30 is equal to 1 upon 6 4s are 24, minus sign into bracket 3 2s are 6. So now a upon minus 15 minus plus 24 is equal to b upon minus 12 minus plus 30 is equal to 1 upon 24 minus 6. So now a upon 24 minus 15 is what? 9. And b upon 30 minus 12 is 18 is equal to 1 upon 24 minus 6 is what? 18 only, no? Very good. So now we'll compare a term with the constant term. So a upon 9 is equal to 1 upon 18 and b upon 18 is equal to 1 upon 18. The a term will be compared with the last term and b term will also be compared with the last term. So now a equals to what? 9 is in the numerator, 9 by 18, that is 1 by 2, and b is what? 18 by 18, that is what? 1. So a and b we have got, both is completely completed. So now we utilize this smallest space. What is A? A is what? 1 upon 2. But what is assumed as A? 1 by Y. So we can say here Y is what? Therefore Y equals to 2. What is B? B is 1. And the value of B is what? 1 by X. So X is 1. Finally, the solution of the equation is x1 and y equals to 2.